Good morning, everybody. My today's topic is Made in India. So, Made in India initiative was initiated by the government of India to make India a manufacturing hub. India before this wasn't a self-reliant economy. So, to make India self-reliant and self-sufficient, Made in India project was organized. Very especially, India needs to be self-reliant in terms of defense sector because Indian defense sector was very weak and India needs to improve its defense mechanism. Secondly, to boost the manufacturing sector in India. Manufacturing sector in India was not as grown during the 1990s, and after 1991 the LPG came and the manufacturing sector got improved. So to improve more, this Made in India project was initiated. Now, in Made in India project, the manufacturing sector was improved, and with the need of raw material, it created a positive impact on the agricultural sector as well. But it had some negative impacts as well, like the resource depletion created a major setback to this initiative. There need to be a sustainable development in India because resources are very scarce in India. Thirdly, it was to boost our economy, but Indian economy got hit with COVID, so there was an economic setback also, and very specifically, some specific rules or the red tape rules were simplified, like uh, the companies used to get regulative licenses earlier, but after this initiative, those regulative licenses were reduced. The procedure was simplified, and there was no need of a license for many industries now. And many MNCs, because of this, many MNCs increased their started investing in India and opened many units in India, very especially the iPhone unit, which was debatable. And because of this, India attracted a lot of FDI, like the foreign direct investments. It raised to around 76%. So, Made in India was a great initiative, and the government should initiate many other projects like this. Thank you.